Hello, excuse me. Welcome back to Operation Hindenburg. Summer of 1918. Germany's turn. So we got three major factories. We're going to do convoy systems is red, strategic bombers is blue, and improved logistics is yellow. Okay, we get an 8. So strategic bombers goes up to stage 1. I gotta mark that then. I gotta get a roundel. Yellow is logistics. That will be completed. That was a 7. And red was 6, which is convoy systems, goes to stage 3. So that was good. 3 for 3 on tech that time. Okay. We have 1 free diplomacy, plus we're going to buy 2. So white is Peru, orange is the Netherlands, and green is Mexico. Need a 3 or less on all of these. Okay, orange is a failure, but green and white go up 1. So Peru goes to stage 3, and Mexico will go to stage 1. Okay. That one was a failure. Okay. So we spent $2 already there. We're going to buy 5 subs for 25, 6 infantry for 18, mustard gas for 2, and then Lend-Lease Austrian infantry for 3. That will be our $50 we have to spend. Okay, we got a couple combat moves to do. We're going to do an attrition attack from Lorraine with the 18 artillery and 2 heavy artillery with the mustard gas into southern France. And we're going to take a cruiser, make him a raider. 1, 2, 3, 4 to A20. That one's going to go to A21. And we are also going to take 2 subs to A20 and 2 subs to A21, and they're going to raid unrestricted, so they're going to be at +4. Okay. So, yeah. Let's get going. So, raiding first. We're going to raid in A20. So, we have a cruiser raider and a +1. So that is 5 plus 5 minus 2 is 3. So we're going to take $3 off the line so far. Okay. Then we have a sub at a +4. And then Q ships. So 6 minus 3 is 2. So that's up to 5 on the lines. And the Q ship missed. And then let's do the second one, unrestricted. He's going to do 1 damage because it's 5 minus 4 is 1. So we're up to 6 in that zone. And we got to see what the Q ship's going to do. He's just spinning like crazy right now. That's a 9, so he misses. So we did 6 damage in that zone. So we are going to... We're going to do 5 to the British line and 1 to the U.S. line. Okay, then in A21, we have a lot more to try to take care of here. So let's go for the Raider first. So Raider's at +1. Okay, that's a failure. And then unrestricted submarines at a +4. Sub 1 is going to do $2 damage. And sub 2, Q ships miss again. And sub 2 is 9 minus 2 is 7, so 8, 9. So we did $9 damage on that one. So that's going to be 6 to the British line there, and 3 more to the U.S. line there for a total of 4. So we'll do $11 damage to the British and $4 damage to the U.S. that turn. Okay. Then we have the attrition left. So we have 18 at 2 and 2 at 3. So let's start with that. So 18, we're going to do 2 sets of 9. So 3, 6, 9. And we're going to get 2 hits. And only 2 hits. Okay, so that's 2 hits. Grab 2 more red dice back. Okay, the second round of 9. And we're going to get 1 more hit there. Okay, so that's 3 hits so far. And then 2 heavies at 3. The first one missed, and the second one... he misses also. Okay, so General Hand Grenade, you have 3 to lose from Southern France. You have to let us know what you had. Now, France does have counter battery. They have 1. The U.S. does not, so the U.S. artillery will not get to fire back. So, counter battery on a 1. That is a 3, so that misses. Okay. Okay, that's it for my combat moves. Non-combat movement, we're going to move 3 infantry from Bavaria into Lorraine. We're going to rail 3 infantry from Western Germany into Lorraine. The mustard gas was used, so we can put that aside now. Okay. And then we're going to walk 4 guys from Eastern Germany into Western Germany. Okay. Now we're going to just choose 3. Leave 1 guy behind. Leave 1 guy behind. Okay. And I believe that is all of my non-combat movements. So we're going to place units. The 6 subs, or sorry, 5 subs are going to go into A11. Three infantry are going to Bavaria. 3 infantry are going to Western Germany. Lend-Lease is going to Austria. And the mustard gas is going to go back in Lorraine with everything else there. Yeah. Okay. So now we have to collect income. So we're at 34, 35, 36, 37. Wartime income is 3. That's 40. 41, 42. So we will collect $42. We saved 1, so we're going to have 43 for next turn. Okay. Not the greatest on the wartime income end, but everything else seemed to go decently for us. For the Russian Revolution, we're not going to do any attacks, but we have to roll recruitment for Estonia, Lithuania, and Poland. So Poland's a 1, Poland's a 3, Lithuania is a 1, and Estonia is a 1. So Poland will be red, Lithuania will be orange, and Estonia will be green. And they all miss, so nothing on the recruitment end of it. So quick disposition of forces. France will need to lose 3 in southern France from attrition. 6 damage to the British line there in A35. 5 to the British line in A20 and 4 to the US line in A20 damage. There is a cruiser raider and 2 subs, both in A20 and in A21. A11 now has 2 dreads, a cruiser, a seaplane on Maritime Air Patrol, 6, 7, 8 subs. Eastern Germany has an infantry. East Prussia has a militia. Western Germany has 12 infantry. Bavaria has 3 infantry. Belgium has 2 artillery, 2 balloons, 4 trains. 6, 7, 8, 9 infantry. Lorraine has 18 artillery, 2 heavies, mustard gas, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 infantry, and a tank. The only other change is we did add a Austrian infantry to Austria in a Lend-Lease. I believe that is it. Any questions, guys, please ask, and we'll see you next year.